Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the reading. This Wednesday, I thought why not I bring a pick a card because many people love the way I do pick a card. So, this is card 1 and this is card 2. So, you need to just take a couple of seconds, call on your divine or the god and the goddess whom you connect with, or the archangels and angels to tell you whether this you need to pick or this you need to pick. So, I shall give you all a couple of seconds. Alright, so before I start, for the pile 1, whatever comes in the reading, I felt guided that the color will be yellow today. So you need to focus on wearing the color yellow. And in the morning, after you have your bath, you should chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times, and the color for this is going to be white today. And also in the morning, after you have your bath and everything, you should chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times. So this is what I felt guided. Also, for both of you, for both the pile of cards, as a common thing I would suggest is today in the evening, if you can donate some food to poor people, at least 3 people, it would be really good. So let's go to the pile 1, card 1. What is cup? Okay. It's a hanging man, but I feel this man knows what is happening, but I will still pick off another 2 cards to connect with it. So the next card is the judgment card. And the strength. All 3 are major arcanas. That is one good thing. So let's see what is in store today. Coming to the hanging man first, I feel this person, you might see a person nude and hanging upside down, but I feel that this card has come because things you need to let go, and upside down maybe that the person is just facing away from all the things, but I feel that you have decided that you know what you have to do and how you have to do, and you have kept yourself secretive of late so that people don't understand what you want, and in turn they don't fool you. This is what I feel. Now coming to this card, the judgment card, I feel this as the angel's wings, and I feel this has come so that what you can do is you can think or go by your intuition, and look at whatever issue you're facing today in a wider perspective and on your own, without going to anyone or without seeking anyone's guidance or without seeking anyone's help, because the last card which has come is a very beautiful card, which is the strength card. Usually if you see here, it's a lady, and there's a lion. So basically it is a person who's strong enough and who knows what he or she is doing right, because based on their intuition. Again, if you see here the card, there's a symbol on the third eye. So you have decided what you need to do on based on your intuition, and you're sure that you're going to be successful. So for card 1, I would say whatever you have decided, which you have been keeping with you for long, the time has come to take it forward or show the world that you are strong enough to handle your issues. So that's the pile 1, and I hope you all liked it. If you all liked it, then do let me know so that I can pick a card at least once a week when I can. So this is for pile 2. Okay, that's a beautiful card, the Page of Swords, but still I would pick another 2 cards to see what it is that it is showing. Okay, Tree of Life, that's another beautiful card. Let's just pick one more card and see. Okay, the 10 of Coins. So if you see this set, I feel that the cards have come that you need to start acting fast. You need to start seeing what it is that is happening, and not, though you are a person who's playful, and but instead of being playful today, check on what is happening around you, because if you see overall, when this cards comes, it means everywhere some moment or the other is happening, but your focus is lacking somewhere. And if you focus on your things, if you look at it from a serious perspective, you will be successful, and you will be able to achieve the fortune or achieve the rewards of the hard work that you have been putting on. But sometimes our own fears and our own blockages stop us from looking at things in a positive perspective. But if you take time out, and if you sit and think over it, and if you see the page of swords, the way it is looking at it and analyzing the situation, if you analyze the situation, things will fall in place for you, and you will be successful, and you will get the rewards of your hard work also. So I hope you all enjoyed this way of reading today. So do let me know, and have a beautiful and a blessed day. Thank you.